Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of soldering with a product that's been making waves. The Soiiw 110V 850W Soldering Hot Plate. Now, before we delve into the details, let me make one thing clear. If you're in the market for a top-notch heated plate, look no further. The Soiiw Soldering Hot Plate stands head and shoulders above the rest, and today, we're going to find out why. Let's start with the basics. This hot plate is equipped with a high-performance CPU-controlled heating platform, ensuring precise temperature control for all your soldering needs. Whether you're working on delicate electronics or robust industrial projects, this hot plate has you covered. One of the standout features of the Soiiw hot plate is its intuitive LED digital temperature display, making it easy to monitor and adjust temperatures with precision. Plus, with non-slip rubber feet, you can rest assured that this hot plate will stay securely in place, even in the busiest of work environments. But here's where things get really exciting. The Soiiw hot plate isn't just for soldering, it's a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. From component heating to SMD re-engineering, PCB removing, and even preheating mold cores, this hot plate is a true workhorse. Of course, safety is paramount when working with any heating tool, and the Soiiw hot plate doesn't disappoint. With clear safety instructions and robust construction, you can trust that this hot plate will keep you and your workspace safe at all times. And there you have it, folks. The Soiiw 110V 850W Soldering Hot Plate, the best heated plate on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy soldering!